Microsoft Windows has an error that everyone dreads. You got that right, the blue screen of death, also known as BSOD. It brings a halt to anything being done on the computer and asks you to restart the PC to fix this issue. You may lose your data or any ongoing work that was being done. Before we get started, subscribe to our channel, so you don't miss out any future videos. Blue screen of death can be caused by a number of issues. A host of software and hardware-related bugs can trigger a blue screen error, including 1. Insufficient space in system disk. 2. Faulty device drivers. 3. Outdated Windows operating system. 4. Hard disk corruption. 5. Incorrect entries in the system's registry. 6. Unidentified bug of Windows 10. 7. BIOS misconfiguration. The only way forward to this error is to press any key to restart this PC. However, if you frequently encounter this error, you can try out the following methods to fix the issue. 1. Remove any new devices that you may have attached to the PC. 2. Uninstall any recent updates to the drivers or operating system. 3. Upgrade drivers and Windows. 4. Use tools to defrag and scan your system drive. 5. Free up space in the system drive. 6. Scan for malwares, viruses. 7. Reinstall Windows. When you encounter the blue screen of death, look into lower right corner and it will display a text string or an error number. Google this error to find out the possible reason and jump to the solutions provided in this video. If the frequency of the blue screen of death errors is high, your first instinct would be to recover your data to a safe location. On a working computer, download and install Tenorshare 4DDIG from the official website for your Windows. Install the software and run it. Insert a USB drive. You will see the option to recover from crashed computer. Select it and click Next. Choose the USB drive you inserted and click Next. It will ask for your permission to format the drive. Click Yes to continue creating a bootable drive. Upon completion, remove the USB drive and insert it into the crashed computer. Start the computer and go to BIOS setting to boot from the USB drive. This will load the Tenorshare 4DDIG and now you can recover all your data. Recover all the files you want and save them in another location for safekeeping. Fix 1. Remove any new devices. Check that if the blue screen of death has started appearing after you attached any new device. To fix the blue screen of death, simply remove all extra devices and see if you run into the same problem again. Fix 2. Uninstall any recent updates to the drivers or operating system. Go to Device Manager by searching it in Start menu. Select the driver that you think is causing the error. Try uninstalling this driver to solve the blue screen of death. Right-click and select Uninstall driver. Similarly, try using System Restore feature to downgrade the operating system from an update that may be causing the problem. Fix 3. Upgrade drivers and Windows. Go to Device Manager by searching it in Start menu. Select the driver that may be causing the error and right-click on it. Click Update driver. Let Windows search if any updated driver is available. You can also go to Settings and search Windows Update. If any updates are available, download and install them. Fix 4. Use tools to defrag and scan your system drive. Open this PC and right-click on the C drive. Click Properties and then Tools. You will see two options here, Error Checking and Optimize and Defrag. Click Check and then Scan Drive to fix any errors in the disk. You can also try to defrag and optimize the disk by clicking Optimize button. Select C drive and click Optimize. Let the Windows work. Fix 5. Free up space in the system drive. Open this PC, and right-click on the C drive. Click Properties and then Disk Cleanup. Check all boxes and click OK to clean up the disk. Fix 6. Scan for malwares, viruses. Use any good antivirus or anti-malware software to scan and clean system drives from any viruses or malwares. Fix 7. Reinstall Windows. If no other options work, you can try reinstalling a fresh copy of the Windows. Just insert the Windows disk or bootable USB drive and follow on-screen instructions to install a fresh copy of the Windows. Hopefully, you can fix the blue screen of death by following these steps. However, remember to recover your data by using Tenorshare 4 DDIG. Subscribe to our channel if you want more useful tips. See you next time.